How DeepSeek AI helped me create maps effortlessly. Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how DeepSeek AI helped me create maps effortlessly. Whether you're a designer, developer, or just someone interested in creating custom maps, DeepSeek AI makes it incredibly easy. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Step 1. Setting up DeepSeek for map creation. To get started, open your browser and go to deepseek.ai. If you don't already have an account, sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. From here, click on a new chat or simply just type in your message right here in the message field. Step 2. Defining your map's purpose. After your agent is set up, it's time to define the map you want to create. You'll see a section where you can describe the kind of map you need. Here are some examples of the maps you can create. Let's type in something like this. I want to plot the 20 most beautiful cities in the world on an interactive map. Clicking on a point should display the name of the city, its rank, and the number of visitors. I will be using Google Python and Google Colab for this. What this request is going to do is it will prompt DeepSeek to actually set a goal so that we can create an interactive map which we can paste on Google Colab. But for now, let's just send this first. And here, you can see that DeepSeek generated some data for us to paste. So right here, you can see all the data that are the name of the cities, their ranks, the number of visitors, and their latitude and longitude coordinates. Now that DeepSeek AI has generated the code, we need to run it. We'll use Google Colab, a cloud-based Python environment that allows us to execute the code without installing anything on our computer. So here's how to open our Google Colab. Let's first go to Google Drive. Let's click on this Google Drive icon right here, and then let's open this corresponding folder wherein we want to save the project. As you can see, I have already tested it out, but for now, let's click anywhere inside the folder and select More, and then Google Colab. This will create a new Colab notebook where we can paste and run the generated Python code. Step 3 is running the generated code in Google Colab. Once we have our Google Colab notebook open, we need to paste the code DeepSeek AI provided. Here's a general breakdown of what the code does. The first one is to install the required libraries. The first step ensures that the necessary libraries are installed. This is important because certain Python packages are required to create and display the interactive map. Okay, so what we need to do is to go back to DeepSeek, and then you can see this first code which says install required libraries. We just have to copy this and then go back to Google Colab and paste it right here. In order to run this code, we have to click on this little icon right here. Okay, now that it has loaded, the next thing that we need to do is to import the libraries. The script will import key libraries like Folium for interactive maps and Pandas for handling data. So let's add another code right here, and then go back, and then let's copy this code and then paste it here. What all of these are going to do is just basically build the map, the interactive map that we want to see from this Google Colab. Let's add another code, and then again, let's copy this one. As you can see, here are all the cities that DeepSeek has listed out. So again, let's run this. And then next is Let's copy this interactive map and then paste it. And then let's click on Run. After pasting all the generated code, we need to execute it step by step by clicking the play button in each cell, as we have done already. If everything runs smoothly, Google Colab will generate an interactive map displaying the 20 most beautiful cities in the world. This method saves you hours of work compared to manually designing maps. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of maps you want to generate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Tech Tricks tutorial. Bye!